Hello from Universal Orlando Resort. I am at Cabana Bay Resort. Believe it or not, this is actually a value at Universal Orlando Resort. This is on par with the All-Stars over at Walt Disney World. It's much, much nicer, and I do not disrespect the All-Stars. But there is a lot more happening here, and it was a lot cheaper. So first of all, we have a coffee maker. We have a microwave. It is gorgeous. If you look at sort of this cool, sleek 60s design. We have a room to just chill, watch TV, obviously. We have a refrigerator down here, a sink, some stools to have a little breakfast. We have a breakfast nook in a value. I'm definitely excited about this. As you can see, some outlets, including USB, that's very important. Plenty of storage and one television. The televisions were on when we came in here. That's something fun. And we have this sliding door that leads to the bedroom. I didn't break it, I swear. And then we have a gorgeous bedroom. I love it. The carpet is definitely clean. You can tell the place has been cleaned. Second television. Then we have a shower over here. This room has a shower, and then you come across and we have our sink, get ready, got a hair dryer, you have a mirror, you don't need to see me in the mirror, got some towels, and then a separate bathroom with a toilet. And we're gonna spin around one more time. There, as you can see, we do have a mirror. You can see the whole setup there. But after a whole day at the theme parks, I don't want you seeing me. Then I just want to wrap it up. All of the things that we have packed for our journey, and we can fit them in just this little corner of the closet. So this is definitely, and of course we have an ironing board and an iron. I love this for a value resort. Cabana Bay at Universal Orlando Resort. Thanks for joining me for this room tour.